What's up, weirdos? Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Let's have a look across this market, guys. We are in the early stages of a bull market. I hope that you are ready. Let's see what's going on out there. Jasmy down 3.5% on the day, 6.7 on the week, up 51.5 on the month, and down 18 on the year. Down 3 spots, ranked to 85 with a $748 million market cap, 28 million in volume. Swiftcoin down 3.3 on the day, 12.5 on the week, up 46.8 on the month, and 151 on the year. Down 5 spots and ranked to 274, $132 million market cap, 1.27 million in volume. Volume is absolutely disgusting right now, so that's not good. But it is Monday morning, so there's a lot of week left to go here, guys, right? XCN down 5.8 on the day, 19 on the week, up 76 on the month, and 653 on the year. Down 3 spots in rank to 106, a $534 million market cap, and 32 million in volume. And Zebec, where is our Zebec? Finally showing a little tiny bit of red here, down 1.2% on the day, up 54 on the week, 88 on the month, but down 19.5 on the year. Down 4 spots in rank to 263, $141 million market cap, 29 million in volume. All right, so a little bit of a DCA opportunity on the daily, but the weekly still pretty green. Monthly's looking absolutely fantastic still. So yeah, things are looking okay, guys. It's a good time to be DCAing, in my personal opinion. Obviously not financial advice. You got to do what you got to do, right? Bitcoin, look at that. We fell all the way back down inside the bullpen in here. We're inside of it right now. We came back down to 93.4 and wicked right back up again. So we're still showing a lot of buying pressure down at this level, right? So will this $93,400 level hold? That's the question. Well, where we're going to close this daily candle is going to reveal a lot, and that's going to determine things. It doesn't matter where candles wick to. It matters where they close, right? As we know. So for all we know, this candle could be green by the end of today. We've still got like 9 hours before this daily candle closes, something like that, 9 hours and 10 minutes. So we'll see if this candle can do some sort of a reversal here. We got to break back outside of the bull pennant to the upside. Volume is pretty low right now, though, guys. It is Monday morning, though, so we'll see what happens. Some people are calling for 88,000 down, or this is 91 down here. Sorry. Some people are calling for 91,000. Some people are calling for 88,000. Some people are calling for 96 or 86, 88, and 86,000. So we'll see what happens, but I really don't see us falling all the way back down here. I don't see that happening, guys, right? For me personally, I mean, is it possible? Of course it's possible, right? But for me, worst case scenario, we fall back down to 91K, but I think that will probably hold. But we haven't even fallen below this support level here at 94.3 or 93.4, I mean. So let's not count our chickens before they hatch. We'll see how this week plays out. Powell's going to play a big part in what happens. Obviously, macroeconomic factors will come into play here. So we have to make sure we're paying attention to what's going on a grander scale. Absolutely. Absolutely. You know what? Let's look at the M2 money supply correlation chart. See how that's kind of playing out. Okay, so far so good, guys. As you can see, we do have minor corrections along the way. That's what you got to understand, right? So we're still very, very much correlated on the 80-day and the immediate term. So, you know, next leg up's coming, guys. Next leg up is coming. I think it's going to be a good month. It's going to be a good month, guys. Don't sleep on May. Do not sleep on May. That's what I would say. Don't sleep on May. Don't go away. That's my personal opinion, not financial advice, right? We got a new listing for Jasmy, guys. Check it out. Boom. Whitebit welcomes new trading pairs, Jasmy and Circle. and obviously Floki. But what we care about is Jasmy. Another listing for Jasmy. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Got what else do we have here? Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. We got big news for Zebec as well. A little bit of an update there. Seems like we seem to have a nice update on Zebec every single day. But quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self Custody Wallet, guys. Quick tip for Decent users: trouble unlocking with your fingerprint? Add a second fingerprint, limit 2 total as a backup setting, security, and enroll finger. There you go, guys. Get your Decent Self Custody wallet today, guys. Use our link down below. Get an absolutely phenomenal deal. Guys, you can get yourself either the biometric wallet, or you can get yourself the card wallet. As you can see, I have 5 of these, and I have three or four card wallets. So check it out for yourselves, guys. Do your swaps right on your Decent wallet. Don't risk leaving your crypto on exchanges. Not your keys, not your coins. You guys know what it is. All right, and Zebec, what do we got here? Zebec is proud to be a certified member of the Circle Alliance program. Circle Venture was one of our earliest backers, and USDC powers our entire product suite, from our Zebec cards to payroll. So yes, you can actually, if you have the Carbon card, guys, you can actually just transfer your USDC Circle over to your Carbon card, and you can spend your stable coin anywhere Visa and MasterCard is accepted as a debit card. That is massive. You're cutting the bank out. You're cutting out the middleman. No fees. It's a 0-fee card as well. So absolutely huge, guys. With Circle holding a significant amount of Zebec, we're working to make USDC the default stablecoin for real-world payments. And I've said this from day one. If you've been around this channel for a while, I believe that USDC is going to be the stablecoin of choice for the U.S. government, for institutions and stuff. I just think that Circle's going to be that coin. Tether will slowly lose dominance over time, in my opinion. They've proved that they're not willing to be transparent and things like that. But if you go to the if you go over to the Circle index, right? Circle Alliance index, what do you have? Zebec Network, decentralized infrastructure network for real world value flows. Zebec is pioneering decentralized infrastructure network that facilitates real world value flows, enabling seamless blockchain powered applications for both traditional and digital economies. Today, Zebec powers RWA payments, data, and physical infrastructure, DePIN, services hundreds of companies in the Web 2, Web 3 economies, and integrating blockchain into everyday lives. Zebec's current lineup of fintech products includes real-time payroll, a traditional payroll with built-in Web3 features, payroll cards, and treasury management for Web3 companies, all designed to bridge the gap between crypto and fiat payments and offer employees flexibility in how they receive their salaries. You absolutely love it, guys. You absolutely love it. Now, we got this little clip here. Check this out. Adam Beck says we are in. Bitcoin is in the early stages of a bull market. We are just getting started, and I agree.
But I think we're certainly in the early stages of the bull market at this point. You know, typically the bull market cycle lasts for a certain period after the halving, and so we're still in the early innings. I think there's very stiff inflows from ETFs buying about 2 times the Bitcoin mined per day. MicroStrategy and the other Bitcoin treasury companies buying another 2 times, and the retail buyers and dollar cost average investors. So really, that's a lot of inflow. I think, you know, temporarily there's some consolidation because some earlier investors, sort of midterm investors, profit taking. But you know, that overlay would set us up for a price where you start to see Bitcoin competing with gold, perhaps pulling money out of gold ETFs into Bitcoin ETFs. And then, of course, if the treasuries come in, like the sovereign treasuries, the Bitcoin reserves, that would be something where you'd see sovereign competition. As soon as one of the bigger countries jumps in, I think the others will feel forced to follow suit. So that would, you know, all bets would be off if that happens. Now, of course, institutional adoption, I think the family offices are faster, more agile, but the institutions are in play. You can see that the ETF 13F filings, which shows you the institutions that have bought Bitcoin via the ETFs, is about 30% institutional. I think there's a lot more capital in the institutional space of pension funds and mutual funds. So there's a lot of room for capital to come in this cycle and into the next cycle.
Absolutely, guys. I agree 100%. We are in the early stages. All right, guys, listen, if you need guidance, if you need to learn how to take profits, when you should be exiting the market, how to identify whether you're holding too long or selling too soon, how to do technical analysis, how to do research on projects, if you want to learn fundamentals, tokenomics, if you want to make sure you're getting out of this bull run with your profits intact, there is a place for you over in our Patreon community, guys. There is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help get you the guidance that you need to make sure you get out of this cycle with your profits intact. I watched millions of people in the last bull run in 2021 not take their profits because they were being misled. They didn't know when to take profits. They wrote everything back down, or they sold way too soon. Don't get stuck doing this, guys. Join the Patreon community. We can help educate you. We can help guide you. We can help you with your portfolio structure and so much more. We can help you become a better trader and a better investor in this space. We can also help you identify where liquidity is in the market so that when you're putting in sell orders, your orders actually fill. If there's no liquidity where you're trying to get out of the market, your sell orders are not going to fill and you're going to be left holding your crypto for 4 more years. This is a real problem in crypto that not a lot of people are talking about, guys. Okay. So if you don't know what you're doing, guys, listen, don't get stuck in this quicksand. Okay. Come aboard the Patreon community. We're live every single day. We drop educational content all the time, micro cap gem content, guys. If you listen, you want to come over and have a look at some of the micro cap gems we're getting into right now. We've helped 30 people since the beginning of this year hit 7-figure portfolios by getting in early on these gems, rolling profits around, and making the right decisions, right? So come on aboard, guys. Check it out. Also, if you need a more personalized one-on-one situation, you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, guys. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member. So come aboard, book your one-on-one coaching calls, and let's get all your questions answered. Let's get you pointed in the right direction, get the guidance and the help that you need before it's too late, okay? I don't want to see you get wrecked. I don't want to see you hold your crypto too long or sell too soon and end up walking away from this market feeling like crypto was a scam, because it's not. The opportunity is real, guys. The opportunity is real, but not if you don't know what you're doing. You can't mumble and stumble and fumble your way through this space and come out successful, okay? Learn what you're doing properly. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.